All right, welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we are going to finally test out adding a product. All right, so I think everything is ready in our function, and I believe we haven't made any mistakes here. But again, everything is possible. All right, we try to do this as best as we could without making mistakes. But you know me, I love mistakes because mistakes makes us better developers, especially when you take 1 or 2 days of your time to debug an application without even asking your instructor or even asking questions around, and you figure it out at the end. That makes us very happy, right? It's frustrating sometimes when it's a small thing too, right? But anyway, let's go back to our application. Let's find out how we could do this. So let's add a product. Let's name this product, I don't know, my first added product from admin. All right, perfect. Here is my first description. That would be nice. And let's put a price on it, $25. And we can make $1 million there. Why not, right? And this is my short description. There we go. We can't put a category there because we need to pull it out, and I'll show you in the next lectures how we do that. So that's probably gonna go blank. Quantity, we'll say this has 10, and we'll choose an image, and I'm just gonna choose this image that has my name there. Open, and you can see the image name right here, and we're just gonna click publish. Wow, beautiful, right? Look at that. New product with ID number 4 was added. You might have a different ID on yours depending on what you have done in your database. And you can see the price here. The quantity is not showing for some reason. We need to fix that for some reason. You see that? That's a bug right there, and the picture is a bug. Let's make sure that that picture was actually added there. All right. All right. We need to actually put the pictures directory so that we can show it. But anyway, let's go to uploads, and as you can see, the image is right here. Of course, it's gonna show like this because this is the image structure. How the browser can understand our image, right? With numbers. So the image was uploaded successfully. That's a really big thing, all right? The next thing is to actually check the database. So let's go ahead and do that. And we only got one product here. So if I refresh, you can see that we get the second product with all the information except category ID and the product quantity. All right, and this short description here is in the wrong place. Um, Actually, it should be product description here and the short description there. So we need to figure out, let's go ahead and figure out the product description there. Why did it just inserted it in the wrong place? So let's go to functions, and product description right here and product description right there. So that's good right here, but we are actually saying right here inserting 1, 2, and 3. That's product price, and we did this a copy and paste. I don't see it right now, but I will. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we don't have the product quantity. You see, we forgot no, we have the product quantity here, but it was 0 inserted in the database. So let's go to our add product and find out. You see what happened here is that we copy and paste the product description here, and we did not do it like this. Short, and let me just go back and see what we were pulling out. Short DSC. All right, so we did not put the name attribute correctly here in the product short description. Short DSC, that's what we need to have here. All right, product price, we are pulling the right product price. This is pulling the right product description. All right, so that should go there smoothly. And the quantity, we probably messed up on that too, right? So let's go down and see product quantity doesn't even have a name attribute. All right, so these are little bugs. This is good. All right, so product quantity. Quantity. There we go. There we go. All right, perfect. So let's try this again and see if this time we can make it happen successfully. All right. All right, let's go to our here and let's add a new product. My second product. And I'm just gonna put everything here in the same. I don't want to write too much. This is gonna be $100. This is our product is gonna be worth more because we are fixing it better, right? So product quantity 9. Let's get an image there and publish. All right, let's check it out. Database, refresh. All right, so now we have the quantity, the product ID is 0, of course. Now we have the product description. Well, we don't have the short description. All right, again, we're missing the short description, and let's find out why that is. And that should be a pretty simple way of fixing this. All right, let's see what we are missing here. We probably got this mental code block that I told you about. So short, we got a space right here. Make sure that we fix that. That's probably what it was, that space there. All right, let's make sure that this is the same thing that we got here in the product short description right here. So paste it here and save it. All right, let's go and try this again. Oops, right here. All right, my third product. Let's try this one more time. This is gonna be worth 400 now. We put more work into it, right? And quantity, image. Let's do a better image here. There we go. Let's refresh. All right, this time I think we did it. ID number 6, my third product, $400. Wow, 345 as a quantity. I didn't know we put that much into it. All right. My third product image location right here. Beautiful, right? Now we need to go ahead and start displaying those images so they look really nice in our administration area, right? So we need to figure out a way to do that. And before we do that, though, we need to create this function that is going to be displaying, is going to be relating our categories that we got right here, example 1, example 2, with our products. All right, and we're gonna be doing that by inserting that product, that category's ID inside the product category ID here from the products table. All right, so we'll do that in the next lecture. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. See you in the next one.